And basket is good. 9 against 6 ang score po natin mga kaibigan. 35 seconds. 9 against 6. 29 seconds, 28 seconds. Oh. Last 20 seconds. Francis lumusot. And basket is good. Last 15 seconds. 1 ball position. Time out. Labas. Substitution ruling. Gerald. First personal foul, first team foul for yellow team. 9 seconds. And traveling was called. Traveling with 1 bang. Our score is 6 against 11. 5-point advantage for the yellow team. Once again, thank you for our sponsor. Of course, Aramco. First sponsor, Aramco, where energy is opportunity. Shout out to my friend Prince Orkin, face of the night. Another face of the night. Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our environmental coordinator, Mr. Kenneth Big Lip.
कस्तो बेटर आउँछ कति राम्रो आउँछ पिक्चरमा केही कुरा कति राम्रो आउँछ
Basketball game! Red ball po tayo mga kaibigan. Red ball for the second period. Both teams may tiga-apat na time out pa kayo. The miss is Peter from Jonathan. 6 against 11. Peter lumusot, nakawala for 2, no good. Rebound by Mr. Ayman, the team manager of Yellow. Oops. Francis lumusot. Layup and 2 points. May kasama pang foul. Not counted? Foul from below the belt. Post foul, red. Warning, ha? No reclaim. Post foul? Okay, Marlon. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Michael, first appearance on the ball game. To Jobert. To Mr. Rifai. Lumusot for 2. No good. There's no call. Continues tayo mga kaibigan. Francis, 2 points. Nice drama, Francis. And there's a call. No call. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Dexter. Grabe ang point guard nila, oh. Big man line up. Dexter to Jonathan. Jonathan take the look. No good. Rebound by Marlon. Agawan sa bola. Tumalikod ka na. Last 6 minutes. Marlon take the shot. No good. Jonathan put up 2. Nice 2 points. 8 against 13. Mga kaibigan. 5 minutes and 45 seconds time remaining in the second period. Both teams may tiga-apat pa kayo na timeout. Michael Jordan lumusot bilang sa kay Jobert sa ilalim. 2 points. Nice 2 points for Mr. Jobert from Mr. Michael Jordan. 5 minutes and a half time remaining in the second period. Once again, this game is brought to you by Cisco Northern Airbag Packet. Oops, may tawag. Holding foul for Mr.
Salman.